I'm Stacy Johnson here with Chef George of Rojo Kitchen. Chef is going to make for us a feast to feed a family of 4 for less than 15 bucks. What are you going to make today, Chef?
Well, today we have a black bean quesadilla with caramelized onions and cheddar cheese.
I love quesadillas. How do you put it together? Is it hard?
Very simple. We start off first by caramelizing some onions.
And I've heard this all, what is caramelizing an onion?
Well, caramelization process is done when you saute something, and in this case the onions, the sugars turn brown, caramel color, hence caramelization.
So basically butter and onions, keep cooking it until it turns
little
brown.
oil. Yeah, exactly.
Cool. Okay,
So we have those. Now we're gonna add our black beans, your canned black beans. We're gonna add a little bit of hot sauce, fresh lime juice.
There's no meat in this dish.
No meat. This is a vegetarian dish.
And it also looks like the ingredients are really inexpensive.
Yeah.
I mean, you got onions, you got beans. It costs almost nothing.
This could be a great lunch snack or a dinner option. So now we're gonna mash them up a little bit to get them a little chunky. And now we're gonna put them in a tortilla, which I already put a little bit of cheddar cheese.
Do you shred your own cheese?
I do.
And shredding your own cheese is probably less expensive than buying it shredded at the store.
Yeah, because you can buy it in bulk and you can use it for different things and use as much as you
This thing
need.
looks like this is like $2 a person, really. I mean, it looks like almost nothing.
Very economical. Put a little bit of cilantro, and then you're gonna fold it over and just press it down. So you get this nice little pouch. So what you do to brown them, put them in a pan with a little bit of oil and butter.
Different pan than this one.
Yeah, a brand new pan, and it should look just like this.
And what will it taste like? Let's find out. I love quesadillas. And this is a really good one.
Thank you.
You guys have to get this recipe. It is so good. MoneyTalksNews.com. Do a search. Frugal Family Feast. For Money Talks News, I'm Stacy Johnson. Want to save more and spend less? Get the free Money Talks newsletter. It only takes 7 seconds to sign up, and it's full of deals and news you'll really use. Do it now at MoneyTalksNews.com.